I'll guarantee you I got a plug there. I'll probably have different heat ranges.
I guarantee you.
So where's Iowa? Is that the hillbilly area, is it?
Farm country. It's about in the fucking middle.
He's got a sign on the thing about redneck or something.
Oh, we're going to need a dog too.
Marley,
Marley!
Going.
woo-hoo,
Marley,
mate.
the wonder dog.
We've got horses outside.
Hey,
So fuck your Mitsubishi.
Fuck your Mustang, we've got a horse outside.
has Fitzy got a Mitzi?
Fitzy's got a Mitzi.
Nutsy's got a nutsy.
Hey,
Nudgy says
this
no.
Melbourne, mate, is just going to want that Mustang.
Busty's got a Chrysler. Howard Holden. Look at that. They're just doing that next to the fucking road.
Yeah, that's good. The little 382 that could. Peter's in the
Oh yeah, no, he's got fuck all in that.
Oh, yeah.
That just tripled that engine horsepower. It went to 600. The engine's making 200.
What? Yeah, 85.
No, he's got 150 in it. Watch. Oh, yeah, sure,
no.
he's got 150 in it.
Fucking seat's nearly breaking.
He's putting a little bit more nitrous through than that.
$1.50 in that. mate.
Exact.
I think you're underwhelming us with the facts there, Nudge.
That's a good pizzle, mate. 302 versus 355, mate.
Well, why don't you do fucking try 302 versus 355 with no gas and see what happens?
Well, they should race with no gas. I know the old boys can't
I bet they don't.
Well, I'll tell you what, the best I've seen that Malibu go with no gas is 12.0. And it went 10.60 on the bottle with a 200 shot.
And that Mustang will go 13.5 with no gas. The man you squeeze it in.
It didn't. It went 13.0. It went 13.0.
What did?
The Mustang.
And the old man's car did what?
1060 on the bottle.
No,
12.
without.
12. The Malibu's the second fastest.
Oh,
That was-
as in really.
But that was
Like,
before Billy put the twisted wedge heads and cam and that in it. That was with the E7 heads that went 13.0. Iron head.
They are just beside the highway.
it's
Yeah.
still just fucking gas wars, mate. That's all that is.
Block will break in half.
Oh, of course it will.
It'll do a block out and push the crank out the bottom of the block. Did you see that tow truck? That's the worst damage I've ever seen on a motor in my life, mate.
Fuck the front of the engine off, mate. Whole crank in half, fucking whole front of the motor off.
Is that truck on the dyno or something?
No, the tip top. Mark Blessett's early bird was the one with the Windsor and the tilt tray thing, the tow truck. He was on the ring road. He had a car on the back and he was towing a trailer and he heard this bang, 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 fucking the motor shit itself. When he got out, the balancer in the front of the crank was on the ground, broke the bottom of the block out, the crank was hanging out.
What engine was that?
Crank the Windsor.
Why? Just had enough.
And he used to think the harmonic balancer came loose.
Oh, yeah, of course it is. After the crank broke, the nuts bung off.
Look at the moon.